Hello, this is D. Alright, let's talk about what we do with our garden beds once we stop growing veggies. Okay, let's take a look at this garden bed right here. Alright, so this garden bed right here, I've harvested a lot of the collard greens and cauliflower already. And I went ahead and placed some flowers there, some annuals and perennial flowers there. This will keep the soil nice and moist. It will continue, something in the garden bed will continue, so it will not dry out. It will continue to encourage earthworms or whatever have you to keep that soil doing good. And I will continue to dump veggie compost inside the bed. So that's one thing I would do as far as keeping our garden beds nice and moist when we slow down and grow them, because summer comes. As you can see, the cabbages are still in there, so I'm going to let them stay a little while. And if it starts getting too hot and they start to bolt, then I will go ahead and add some more flowers and wait till it cools down again before I grow again. This is another one of our garden beds. So basically there's still some onions in there, and you'll see some bok choy in there, and a little head of spinach that's supposed to grow throughout the summer. Well, actually it's a beetroot type of spinach. Other than that, it'll just be some flowers sitting in there, and they're starting to grow. I'll put the seeds in there, and yeah, that'll keep it nice and moist, so the garden bed can continue until we're ready to grow some more veggies inside of it. So that's how we keep our garden beds nice and moist. This is another garden bed that I have some flowering, also there's flowering kale, but that's more for decoration than anything. And I have some, I would call those top annual plants. The reason why I'm saying that is because as soon as I feel like I'm ready to garden again, then I could just go ahead and remove those, put them back in the pot, and then start gardening. And whenever I'm ready to stop, I just put them back in there. So that's what's going on here. Trying to run from these wasps around here. And here's another one. So I still have kale in this one, and I have my cayenne peppers in here, but you also see some flowers in here. And like I said, basically it's to go ahead and keep this garden bed going until I'm ready to use it again and grow some more veggies. Here he goes, sitting there waiting for the whatever he wants to eat. So yeah, so that's what helps us as far as keeping our garden beds going throughout the summer when we want to slow down in gardening until we're ready to begin again. And it just keeps the soil nice and moist because something is still growing in our garden. So yeah, just bringing this little video on info, and if you want to keep your garden, areas or different pots nice and moist and continue that soil growing, just throw something in there. That can be some type of annual or seed, to keep that soil going until you're ready to go ahead and start growing that food again. Okay, instead of just letting it dry out and sit there. That's what we do. So that's up to you, but just hopefully this video helps you a little bit of, if you have an empty garden bed, just put a little something in there and let it continue to flourish. Okay, hopefully you like this video, and if you do, go ahead and give that a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and thank you for following me. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.